3 years has passed since Wormwood struck the Earth.
Let's see if we can find anyone in this wreckage. That's the spirit.
The cities are gone. The old world is gone. Those who survived have learned to live in the wilderness. They gather rainwater. They hunt for food. They search rivers and streams for fish. They trade with one another. Every day is a struggle to survive. Families sleep together around a warm campfire inside a mountain cave, surrounded by blankets and simple belongings, grateful to be alive. Then a new leader appears. Giant screens broadcast her message.
People of the Earth, your suffering is over. Together we will build a new world.
Far across the sea, another world has emerged. While nations struggle to survive, one city shines brighter than ever before. Its towers rise above the desert like monuments to a new age. Rivers flow through streets untouched by destruction. Markets overflow with food from every corner of the world. At the center of it all stands a mysterious woman dressed in red. Kings, generals, and world leaders gather in her courts. Her power seems limitless. Comply to make your life easier.
Please stand still. Identification confirmed.
Millions trust her. Many leave families behind. Parents warn their children not to go. It's a scam. They teach them about the Bible. Young adults think they know better. The freedom they were promised is nowhere to be found. The new arrivals are put into labor camps. Many realize the truth too late. Coming up next, Jesus Returns, Judgment Day and Paradise, Part 4.